In this video, we'll look at the rules for multiplying integers. If the integers have the same sign, for example, positive times a positive, that gives us positive. If it's negative times a negative, we also get a positive. For example, negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. 5 times 4 is 20, and negative times a negative is a positive. If they have different signs, for example, negative times a positive is a negative, or positive times a negative is negative. For example, 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. Positive times a negative is negative. There's a phrase that might help you keep these rules straight. It might sound a little mean, but it works. Think of a positive as a good thing and a negative as a bad thing. If good things happen to good people, that's good. Positive times positive is good. Or if we have bad things happen to bad people, that's good. That one's a little mean, but it works. Bad things happen to good people, that's bad. Or if good things happen to bad people, that's bad. So think of, again, positive as a good thing, negative as a bad thing, and it might help you with the multiplication rules. Again, same sign gives positive, different signs gives you a negative. For example, let's look at 326 times 45. We're going to multiply as usual and then deal with the sign in the end. 5 times 6 is 30, so we have 0, carry the 3. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, carry the 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. We have our 0 placeholder. 4 times 6 is 24, carry the 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Now we add the partial products. And we get 14,670. But we need to ask, is it positive or negative? Notice that we have a negative times a positive. If it's different signs, then the product is negative. In the next example, we have two negatives. Again, we'll start by multiplying as usual. 6 times 7 is 42. So we have 2, carry the 4. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4 is 52, 0 placeholder. 5 times 7 is 35, so we have 5, carry the 3. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 3 is 43. We now add the partial products. 2, 7, 8, 4, 4,872, but we want to ask, is it positive or negative? Negative times a negative is a positive. So we have positive 4,872.